welcome to another vlog, another very realistic vlog. Today I am collaborating and working with a brand called Cherryz with Channel Mom, which I'm really excited about. I just got my parcel. It's actually just over there. I don't know if you can see it. I think this Mia is covering it up, but I haven't even opened it, so I'm really excited to see what I got. Obviously I chose the stuff, and yeah, I will talk more about that later. So as I said, I'm gonna keep my mom content, to be honest, all my content very real. And this is a typical morning for us when I have both the kids. So Ilyas is currently sitting in his dancer. Nazmi is just walking around. What are you eating? What's that?
Yogurt.
Oh, okay. Nazmi's eating yogurt with her hands, as you do. And the kitchen's a bit of a mess. Couldn't be bothered to tidy up last night, so I thought let me do it now. And also, I was always really insecure about my kitchen because I hate this kitchen. Like, there is a million and one things wrong with it. But when we moved in, because we were renovating so much of the house, we were like, let's leave the kitchen, because we weren't sure what we wanted to do with the kitchen as well, and we couldn't afford to do it at the time. So we left it, and we were like 2020 springtime, we'll get it done. COVID happened, I lost my job, Ahmed lost his job, and then we just couldn't get builders and stuff. Anyway, everything happened, so it didn't happen. So now I'm hoping, inshallah, hopefully 2021 is gonna be my new kitchen. Let's hope so. Yeah, I'm gonna get to tidying up because Ilyas is getting very agitated. He is currently a month and 2-3 days, I think. So he's basically a month. I've already put the dishwasher in. I just need to sort all this. Oh gosh, there's already rubbish in there. Oh my goodness, come on, stand up. You know you're not allowed to play with food. What's Mia? Look at me. Look at Mama. Look at me. You're not allowed to play with food like that. Stand. Don't move. Because your jumper's also dirty now. This is why I can't do anything, guys. The reality, What's Mia? This is so naughty. Why would you do this? You got yogurt everywhere. Right, okay, you ready?
Yes.
Okay,
One,
start.
two, yes. Open it now.
Yeah.
Sticky.
Sticky.
Yes.
Yeah, it is sticky.
Mama, try it.
Okay.
This.
Yeah. Right. This is for Miss Mia. I got her some princess sticker book. Do you want to show the camera what you got? The other side as well? Yeah. You got some baby shark painting. And some unicorn stickers. So I ordered a bunch of stuff for Nazmia. Oh, and this is the last one. Look! What's this? It's a Peppa Pig airplane. That's it. Everything else is for Mama in here. I was trying to find some stuff, but it didn't work. This is the last one. Oh, can you put the dummy in baby's mouth? This is your stuff. Look, it's an airplane. Are you excited?
Yes.
Yeah.
You and me.
Yeah. I'm making some shells. Oh, I want to make a donut.
I will make donut too.
So the kids are sleeping, and I thought, let me show you, do a little haul of what I got. I got quite a lot of stuff, and they've got a lot of things on their app. So Cherryz is actually an app, and they sell a lot of things from household items to toys, food and drink. They have a lot of things on there, and they have really good discounts as well. So basically, Cherryz are a shopping app, and it's all about saving on everyday essentials, and they do all sorts of stuff from household items, cleaning products, toys, food, drink, organization items, which I cannot wait to show you because I have been decluttering my kitchen and I have been sorting out my kitchen. I thought since we're not getting it done, I might as well just sort it out. And yeah, I'm going to show you everything that I got. With Cherryz app feature, there's also a really cool thing where you can get Cherryz points and team buying, which is really cool. And I'm gonna start off with some of the organization items that I picked up on there. I really loved these containers that they had, which look like this, and they're just really nice. I really like the size of them. Also, I like that they're square, and then they have this lid on them that basically doesn't, it's an airtight lid. And yeah, and I basically got 4 of these. They look like this, and let me show you the other 2 that I got. And these are the other 2 that I got. I got 2 of these, and they've got a pink lid, and again they're square. And I prefer square storage boxes and just square boxes in general, because I feel like when they sit next to each other, it's just nice and there's no space in between and stuff. So I really love these, really good quality as well. Then the next things that I picked up, right, I got 4 of these. So from the cleaning and household items, I picked up these, and these are basically the Dr. Beckman color and dirt collectors. I use this in every single wash, and it's amazing. It's really changed because I only started using these recently, so maybe the last like year, I would say, year and a half. And honestly, it's changed the way I do my laundry, and it's just made everything so much easier. They had them on there and they were super cheap, so I thought I'd pick up a bunch and stock up. And I got my favorite Lenore Spring Awakening, what are these called, in wash scent boosters. What I love about these is that I can get Nazmia involved when we do the washing. Like, she puts them in, I'll put them in the little cap and get her to put it in the washing machine, and she finds it super fun. And that's how I make like whatever we do, everyday normal activities, really fun. And then I picked up another Zaflora because I haven't had Zaflora in the house for a good few months, and I thought I'd pick up this one. Right now I'm really into, this is Linen Fresh, I'm really into natural scents and just clean smelling scents as well. Oh, and then I also, okay, I've never used this before, so I'm really excited to try this. This is the Lenore Ocean Escape Fresh. Oh, okay, so I'm really excited for this. I picked up this caddy, and it's basically a, you can put like, so if you're cooking, you can put like all your peels and stuff and any like food waste in here. Oh, and then I also picked this up, which is a dog kennel, and there's like a little puppy in there. It's got a little soft toy dog in there. It's got like some bits for it as well. Looks like there's like some plates, a hairbrush and stuff, which I thought this would be a really cool gift. And I really like the toys that they have on there. The variety is really great for both boys and girls. I picked up, I really ate one of these. I picked up these caramel wafer biscuits. These are my favorite. Then I picked up some Kellogg's cornflakes, because once again I was finished and I needed, oh, this is pretty cool, so it can be like this, it can be like that. But yeah, then I picked up 2 of these, and me and Nazmia already just before this video had these, and I actually really love them. So this is the Maltesers hot chocolate. It comes in individual plastic cups already, and there's the exact amount of hot chocolate in each cup. So I actually have a discount code for you guys on the Cherryz app. You get 20% off if you use the code NabilaB20. I will add it here and in the description box below. below, and I'll add the link to the app as well, so it's easy for you guys to find it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much to Cherryz and Channel Mom for sponsoring the video. I had a lot of fun picking out the stuff on the app and just getting to know the app and stuff. Make sure you guys check it out. And then I loved that they had toys on there because it really made Nismia's day, and she loves getting parcels because obviously I always get parcels, so she feels really special and she really loved the toys. And yeah, I shall see you guys in my next video. Bye.